Hey, what's up guys? Nevin here. In this video I want to show you how to design door hangers for your pressure washing business quickly, easily, and for free. So all you need to do is go to Canva. Um, and Canva is obviously free. They do have a paid plan, but you don't need the paid plan for this. You should be able to get by with just the free plan. The first thing you want to do is source your door hangers. So just find out, like, just type in, door hangers or whatever, and just find out where you're getting them. Now, depending on where you get them, this step might not be necessary because they might have designs for you, like Vistaprint, all these. So first thing you do is find where you're going to get them, and they're going to give you the dimensions. And then once you have the dimensions, then you're basically just going to come over to Canva, and this is where we're going to get started. So there's a couple different ways to do it. The way I try to do things is create the least amount of work for yourself as possible. So probably the easiest way is to just type up in here, just type flyer. Now you might be tempted to type door hanger, and matter of fact, let me give that a quick try and see what happens. I actually haven't even tried that before. All right, cool. So you see here, like, you can type that in, and there's a bunch of door. Now I'm not a huge fan of any of these designs necessarily, because they don't really fit what I'm going for. Maybe this one does a little bit, if I can find it. Yeah, maybe this one does a tad bit. This one's a paid plan, but you could recreate this if you wanted to. That's not a great design, but I think it's one of the better ones anyhow. Because they don't have too much for door hangers, what I would do is just start with the flyer, and I'll show you what we do with this. We're basically what we're going to do is resize it. So let's see if we can find one that kind of looks decent. I mean, I'm not a huge, well, actually, you know what? This one kind of looks like door hanger material. So let's go ahead and select this one. You're going to go ahead and click customize this template, and then give that a quick second to load. And then just click up here where it says magic switch, and then where it says resize. Canva just changed this. It used to be a lot easier, but now click custom size. And then where it says custom size, this is where you're going to enter the dimensions of your door hangers. A lot of door hangers are going to be 4.5 inches by 11 or something like that. So just make sure whatever door hangers you're ordering from, you got the right dimensions, because you don't want to have like a white line or anything at the bottom. That wouldn't look good. So then you're just going to click resize this design. And now from here, it's pretty obvious what we're going to do. So let's just start by grabbing a circle. And we'll go ahead and drag that out here. And I'll put the circle about right here. And then let's go ahead and grab this house right here. Pull that up like so. Go ahead and grab this. And now I'm actually going to right click on this, and I'm going to say bring to front. Oops, on this right here. So let's go layer. Let's go bring to front. Okay, cool. And then, all right, sweet. And then we'll just try to adjust this in a way that kind of looks somewhat nice. All right, now let's go ahead and, cool. Just want to make sure we don't lose that circle. Basically, I just put that circle there. It's just so I don't put any like important, text or anything right there. Right, and then now, obviously, what you're going to do is, take out that information. You're going to come in and upload your own logo. This is one cool thing about Canva. If you do use it a decent amount, you can add resources that you reuse often. Go ahead and throw your logo in right there. And another cool thing is, if you wanted to, you can highlight it, and then, well, actually in this case, it would be easier to just do it this way. So because my colors are green and blue, I could potentially, well, do something like that. I actually kind of like that other color better, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'll stick with that right now. And then we could just say house washing or exterior cleaning services. And what's cool about this, if you like care about branding and stuff, is you could choose the same font that you use on your website, and then you could also use the same branding and styling. And then what you could do is go in here and grab a QR code. And I believe in order to add a QR code, you can come to apps right here. And if you just search up QR code, I think I know for a fact there are free ones. But I think actually this might require, I'm not sure. I've been on a paid plan on Canva for years now, so I don't really remember what features are paid and which ones are free. I think this is a free feature though. So what you would do, just grab a QR code, put the link to your website in right here. And then if you want, you can upload your logo. I probably shouldn't just because it's taking too long. It's not really necessary, but I'll just go ahead and add that to design. Then you can adjust that QR code to look however you want. And then, maybe you want to paste the QR code right here. And then we would say a call to action right here. And I'm going to choose that same font. What font was this? Open Sauce. That's just a little design principle. You usually want to keep your fonts kind of the same throughout your design. Scan to get an instant bid. An instant estimate. And then the idea here is that it would take them to obviously an auto bidder page where they can just scan the code, enter their property details, get a bid, and then go from now. Another cool thing you could do if you wanted to, I'm making this more advanced than it needs to be. I think you guys get the point. I'm just kind of sharing some more tips here. What you could do is you could actually make, you could add a tracking code to this. So you can go to use a service like Bitly or something like that. And there's lots of other ones too. And you could, instead of putting your main URL right here, you could actually make this a tracking link. And then what you could do is for your marketing, like if you have people that go out like canvassers, you could track your metrics of like, is this actually getting traffic or is this wasting our time? So just something to keep in mind if you are going to take door knocking, or not door knocking, but door hangers seriously, and then I'll shrink this down a little bit. So we'll say something like that. I'm not a huge fan of that font style. I will say this design is not perfect, but I think it would be better than nothing. And then obviously these images, what I would personally do is just make this relevant, put a picture of house wash, or here, let's move these up a little bit. Get those up out of our way here. Let's go ahead and grab this font right here. Let's go ahead and make that a tad bit bigger. And then our service, here we say our top services. Okay, and then we could say soft washing, pressure washing, house washing, deck cleaning, patio cleaning, roof cleaning, get in touch. And then of course, obviously, you just put your information on the, get in touch area right here. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's a quick and easy way to design your cards. Now from here, it's just a matter of designing it. If you don't like the yellow, if you want it to be a blue color, then make it blue. And you can also technically do it this way a little bit, where you can kind of edit the whole thing at once. But in a site like that, in a situation like this, it doesn't work as well. Sometimes it's easier just to edit each one individually. So that's all there is to it, guys. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Well, one other thing I want to add before I end it, make sure to change out these images. Put in pictures of house, use Midjourney if you have to, replace the images, and then that's it. So with that being said, that's it, guys. I thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.